So I was watching like a TED Talk, and he said before you give like a major speech or something, you should do these things. So I'm gonna do it.
And now, just like when you were a kid. Now your lips should be coming alive.
They don't understand what it means to me, where we chose to go, where we've been to know.
Hey family, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. My name is Patrice. I hope you're having a wonderful and beautiful day. Like, it's a beautiful day today, and I hope you have a smile on your face. You are blessed with another day. You're able to watch this video, so it's a blessing. I'm glad you're here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to be confident in your lock journey. And this is not only applied to your lock journey, but it applies to your life period. So you can just scratch out the lock journey and just apply it to your life, and it would benefit you if you just actually think this way and actually do these things. Whatever reason that you started your journey, own that reason, whether that's a spiritual reason, or it's just because you like the hairstyle, you admire other people with it. Whatever your reason is, own it. So you have to really be sure, like, this is what you want, so that you don't feel as if your decision can just change at an impulse and say, oh, you know, forget it, I don't want locks anymore. Anytime you feel discouraged in your lock journey, you can remember why you actually started. Whatever reason that you're starting your journey off, let it be a good reason that's meaningful to you. Owning your journey is also embracing every phase of that journey. So, you know, the lock journey is different. A little backstory: when I started my lock journey, it was a whole different thing for me because I never really rocked my hair out in public naturally. So when I had those comb coils, they were very short. I was very kind of insecure about it. So what I did was I rocked beanies. I started my lock journey in the winter time, so I rocked beanies and left a little bit of hair out in the front, and I rocked with it. I owned it. I was confident with it. And it was only for a certain period of time until it got hot, and I was like, you know what, let me take this hat off and rock my locks out. And that's exactly what I did. It takes time to adjust. It takes time to achieve locks. When you own your journey and you're confident about your decision, people can actually see that. When you're unsure and you're like, I don't know, like, I kind of miss this, or I don't like this way this looks. When you speak negative things about your hair, you're going to feel these negative things because that's how you're thinking. Your mind is very, very powerful. You're going to hate your journey if you start your journey out by hating to have to choose the lock journey. Like, I remember somebody actually messaged me and said, you know, I feel like this is the only option I have, and I really hate my hair. I feel like it's a burden. I was like, listen, if your hair feels like a burden, you need to listen, sis, get rid of it. I can't have locks and feel like my locks are a burden. I wanted to feel confident, and I wasn't that. So I wanted to build my confidence, and the lock journey definitely did that for me. 7 years ago, I was this girl that just really was insecure about her hair and what people thought, you know, my natural hair texture. I cared too much of what other people thought, and it kind of took away from how I felt. It was just like, okay, well, how does Patrice feel? It's important that you are your own self, and you have your own thoughts and your own opinions. If someone has an opinion, you should be able to say, you know, I respect your opinion, but I don't agree with that. If somebody is able to just say one thing when all this time you believed in another, they're able to change a decision by a snap of a finger, that means you did not really strongly believe in what you did believe in. Make your own decision on what you want to do with your hair, and once you make that decision, be stern about it. This is what I'm choosing for myself, and, you know, let people know, like, hey, I'm starting my journey. Or if you already started your journey, hey, this is my journey. I care about my journey. You know, this means a lot to me. Respect it. Look good for yourself, not for other people. So I feel like when it comes down to other people's opinions, you really have to cloud and block those people out. This applies in anything that you do. Own your journey. Anything that you do in life, like a dream, If you've always wanted this dream to come true and you want to work towards it, don't stop because someone's saying, no, you can't do that, or I don't think that's a good idea. Bump their opinion. Continue doing what you want to do because it's your dream. You have a vision, and your vision is your own, because at the end of the day, no one is going to understand your vision because it's not meant for them to understand. And that's the thing with the lock journey. A lot of people may not understand why you're choosing your lock journey or why you're choosing to do this with your hair. My hair is whatever I want to do with it. If I want to cover it for the rest of my life, I'm going to cover it for the rest of my life. If I want to rock it out, if I want to be bald, if I want to wear orange hair, black hair, whatever the case is, you got to do you and not think about anyone else. You got to own what you choose to do in your journey.
Don't touch my pride, you're not allowed to. Grown up learning to watch who to keep around you. Who surround you reflects upon your image. To admit they plotting, watching to interfere with your appearance with perseverance.